Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Tuesday, May 30th, 2017. It's currently 10:30 a.m. and it continues to be cloudy, cool, and raw out there throughout the northern mid-Atlantic with an easterly wind at around 5 to 15 miles per hour coming right off the Atlantic Ocean. And that means pretty much below normal temperatures once again throughout much of the region, with the potential for showers lifting northward, producing some heavy downpours at times. So, much like the Memorial Day weekend, this start to this week looks to be rather unsettled and rather wet. There will be some times where we actually have temperatures bouncing up to summer-like levels, but don't get used to it, it won't last long. So let's dive into this forecast. With the marine air mass in place, we are seeing some showers lifting northward. Now, some of these showers, especially around southwestern New Jersey, lifting up into the Philadelphia metro this morning, will be capable of heavy downpours. And that is pretty much going to be the theme over the next 36 hours as a cold front slowly approaches the region. We're going to see these showers and elevated thunderstorms developing and lifting from southwest to northeast. And as they do so, they will be capable of producing some very heavy downpours. So if you get caught in one of these showers, they will be reducing your visibility below a mile at times and can produce localized flash flooding or urban flooding. So definitely take heed and drive slowly if you actually end up in one of these showers. The good news is that while they are moving through, they will be widely scattered. So if they move through your region, it will not be a washout for the rest of the day, but definitely have your umbrella at hand. The thunderstorms that develop over central Pennsylvania will continue to train over central Pennsylvania and will not move into the region. If anyone does move into the region, they will rapidly weaken in this more stable atmosphere that is in place. And you can see the setup for this whole pattern right here. Right here, should I say? Sorry. Okay, so here's your infrared satellite picture. What we have set up here is pretty clear. We have our high pressure system here over the Canadian Maritimes, and that drives a marine air mass right into the region. Meanwhile, we have our upper level trough locked in over the Great Lakes and the upper Midwest. And that upper level trough is moving very slowly to the east. And as a result, so is this cold front. So this cold front boundary is slowly inching eastward. Meanwhile, we have another boundary that's separating the marine air mass from the tropical air mass that is sending low pressure systems to the south of the region. So over the next 24 hours, these low pressure systems pass to the south and lead to the potential for scattered showers. This cold front moves through tomorrow afternoon. As it does so, winds will veer from the east to the southwest, allowing temperatures to spike up into the upper 60s to lower 70s along the coast and mid to upper 70s, maybe even 80 degrees in a few locations over southeastern Pennsylvania for highs tomorrow afternoon. And that's going to lead to the potential for a few isolated thunderstorms, possibly reaching severe levels over the Philadelphia metro and over southeastern Pennsylvania. That cold front moves through, and then we end up for this week, at the end of the week, with sky cloud cover and a very nice Friday. Unfortunately, this upcoming weekend doesn't look that much better. So let's dive into this forecast. For today, again, we're going to be at the threat for widely scattered showers. Temperatures will range from the upper 50s to lower 60s over Long Island, lower to mid 60s over the rest of the coast, and mid to upper 60s in the Delaware River Valley. For this evening, scattered showers will continue to remain a threat, continue on through tonight into tomorrow morning. Watch out for the potential for some fog tomorrow morning as well. Temperatures will range from the mid to upper 50s for lows. For tomorrow afternoon, another cold front will approach the region with the threat for widely scattered showers and a few isolated thunderstorms. Temperatures, though, will be much warmer. We'll have lows in the mid to upper 50s again. High temperatures in the upper 60s to lower 70s along the immediate coast, mid to upper 70s in the Delaware River Valley, with a few lower 80s possible over southeastern Pennsylvania. Again, these thunderstorms, if they reach severe levels, will be capable of very heavy downpours, frequent lightning, and wind gusts over 40 miles per hour, so something that we certainly will keep an eye on. On Thursday morning, we'll have a cold front move through the region with a few lingering showers, followed by clearing skies in the afternoon. Temperatures on Thursday will range from the upper 50s for lows and lower to mid 70s for highs. On Friday, high pressure will be in control with a nice west to southwesterly wind. Temperatures will range from the mid 50s for lows and upper 60s to lower 70s along the coast and mid to upper 70s in the Delaware River Valley. A very nice day indeed. Unfortunately, Saturday not so much. This low pressure system right here will dive towards the northern Mid-Atlantic, and the cold front will follow with it. With it, a few scattered showers. It doesn't look so bad, right? So we deal with a few scattered showers ahead of the cold front. Very warm conditions with temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 60s for lows, lower to mid 70s for highs along the coast, upper 70s to lower 80s in the Delaware River Valley. The problem is that this cold front begins to stall out Saturday evening into Sunday morning. And the question is, how far south does this cold front get until it stalls out completely with overcast clouds and scattered showers around that stationary boundary? If the stationary boundary gets to about, let's say, Virginia, then much of the region will deal with scattered cloud cover, and overall Sunday won't be all that bad. However, there is some guidance that keeps this frontal boundary more towards, let's say, central New Jersey and around Philadelphia. And if that's the case, then the whole region will be dealing with overcast skies with scattered showers. Currently, the forecast is for this stationary front to be close enough to produce unsettled weather conditions, but not a complete washout. We'll watch this very carefully. Low temperatures will range from the lower to mid 60s for lows and upper 60s to lower 70s along the coast, lower to mid 70s in the Delaware River Valley. On Monday, an area low pressure will move through the region with periods of showers throughout the area. Temperatures will range from the upper 50s to lower 60s for lows and mid to upper 60s for highs. And on Tuesday, that low pressure system will exit with scattered cloud cover over much of the region after a few morning showers. Look for temperatures to range from the lower to mid 50s for lows and mid to upper 60s for highs. That is your forecast discussion for today. Thank you for following NYNJPA Weather. And as always, stay safe out there.